Hello everyone, this is Pratap from Topper IAS. Welcome back to UPSC PYQ Analysis. In this session, we'll discuss one more important theme for UPSC Prelims in the mapping. So before that, first look at these questions. There's a question on Israel and the bordering countries, and there's one more question on the landlocked countries in the South America, question on Latvia and bordering country, again the Panama and the bordering countries. There's a question on Lithuania also. In the similar way, there's a question on Myanmar and the bordering countries. In a similar way, there is a one more question on Moldova and the bordering countries. There's a one more question on Afghanistan and bordering states. There is one more question on the Ukraine and the bordering states. So by looking at these questions, we can conclude that one of the important theme, that is second theme for us. One theme was water bodies, as we discussed in last session. So next theme would be these important countries which are in news. So please understand, the countries in news is one of the important, very important theme for UPSC prelims in geography mapping. So what we have to do is we have to work on the countries which are in news and the bordering states. Okay, that is one of the important things. For example, if you want an example, it could be Iran, because as you know, US bombed Iran nuclear sites. It could be Venezuela. Okay, then Sudan, then South Sudan, and you have to work on the Russia also, again, because Russia Ukraine war. One of the other important one is Israel, very important one. So you have to work on the geography of Israel and the bordering states. Okay, other things you have to work on. The next important would be the China also, which is in news. Okay, so these are some of the important countries which are in news, which you have to work on. So make sure that you make notes on these themes. Okay, so for more such inputs, join our prelims test series, and we'll meet in next session. Thank you.